lovelies, welcome to another video. Start again. Welcome to another video. Right, I thought we'd do some tabs or decoration on the page, whatever. What we did, I think it was last week, that I did some slow stitching on some fabrics to be able to put in here to give you some suggestions, you know, that we can use things that are around us in our junk journals and still make something quite spectacular. So I thought we would go through here. I'm wondering, I don't know, that purple button's not, it's got nice back to it though. Wait a minute, let's see. I'm going to use that, but I think I need my art glitter glue on this because it's got a lot of, this is one that we did with the chenille. So because it's got a lot of thickness behind it, I'm not going to use my Scotch glue. I'm going to use my art glitter glue for this. There we go. Let me just put just in case I make a pig's ear of it. Want it down a bit, yes. Okay. And this is the piece I made with some of the threads from my Art from sewing, and then laid those down, the fibres down. Then I put some chiffon, I nearly said chenille, chiffon on the top, and then I did some machine embroidery sewing on the top. So I like that. It's got that little edge sticking out. That has got that. Do we need anything up there as a tab? I might have to put something else on this. These stripes are annoying me. They don't take a lot to annoy me, sorry. Let's see. A bit of that. It's got some vintage embroidery on that. I'm not sure it goes with that though. Oh, I love it on there. Is that going to make it too bulky? I don't think it is. Let's do it. Let's do it, as they say. So I hope you are managing to get some nice crafting in. It's a good relaxer, isn't it? You know, even if it's a quarter of an hour, 20 minutes, little crafting, even if you're just doing something quite small. I don't know, it sets me up. If I'm feeling stressed, come in and do a bit of crafting. Like that there. That bit of green goes nicely with that, and some yellow with that. Okay. I reinforced this with some Tim Holt. I love this. It's his fabric zinc oxide sort of tape, and it looks like there's old ledger printed on it. So that page was really delicate, so I've strengthened that now. I think that's okay. I don't think, oh, I don't know though now. I like that because it goes with that there, with a bit of green on there that we stamped, and that. Let's look at the other side. Is it decent? Yeah, if I'm careful. Again, art glitter glue. It's very thick. I'm having so much fun. Like, are you those of you that are doing one of these junky junks? I did loads. Oh, about the end of lockdown. Oh, it was probably because we were in lockdown twice, and it was like we couldn't go anywhere for a year. I think it'd be 21, 2021 that I've forgotten where I'm going. I forgot where I'm going with this. What did I do in 2021? Something I was going to tell you about that we did. Oh, do you know? It's gone. It has gone. I don't know. It might come back to me. I don't know where my thread was. When I watch it back, it might come to me. I had a thread. I like that because it goes with those 3 steps, 3 layers. We're going to put a nice tag in there. That's there. Quite like that. I like that. Do we need anything on there? You see, you can do a load of these and then you think, crikey, I've got loads. But when you come to put them on, I don't cut that because all my threads will come out. We've got some other edging bits to do as well. It's a bit plain, isn't it? Do we need a little bit of something? No, I don't like it there. If I was going to do it, it'd have to be there. And then what's hanging over the other side? No. Nope, 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 nope. This is loads of layers. Look at this. Got net and all sorts in it. Plastic. Sewn bubble wrap. No, don't like that. Move on. Move on. I'm not sure, so like that there. Right. I'm going to do it with plenty of scotch on that, Scotch glue. And I like that there. Just got a little faint hint. There, look. I'm going to just pin that just while it sticks. This is painted. I think I said it last week when we made these. This is layers of fabric, different textured fabric painted up with gold paint, and then we stitched on it last week. And I actually think that looks really nice. Just got a little bit peeping through at that side. That's okay. I've put these on top of here, and do you know I don't like them? Now, I've got some of this left. And I will do another video for making this. Wrong scissors, really. Let's move that to there. I get my fabric scissors, really. See, easier. And then if I put that bit there and that bit there, or that bit there. No, that's the longer piece, isn't it? No, that way around. Yeah, we'll just put those 2 on. Nothing exciting to tell you. Nelson's laid down asleep. David's pottering. Yeah, I like that better. That's out of the way. I'm dying to use this piece. Oh yes, let's see. Look better on that side, I think. Just turn my glue page. Turn my glue page over. I find this Scots glue is very good for thin fabrics. I think everybody has their own favourites, don't they, with glue sticks, but I love this. Now, I'll have it that way because it's got a nice edge on it there. Smooth it down on the opposite side. See a bit of patterning on there. Now the other thing is, if you think that's a bit bobbly and you don't want to leave it like that, don't know where I put my crayons now. We'll do that next time. I can't find my crayons. Right, so let's have a look. Probably one more. Overkill, do you think? That's better. I like that better. There we go. Okay. Now, it does go nicely with that, but, oh, I want it on there now. I've been hoarding that button for forever. Put that on there. Like those as it is. And I want to put that down there, but I'm going to use art glitter glue just to make sure I don't get it where I've got it hanging over the page. And we've also got this chenille thickness there. We want that to glue down, don't we? Let me undo this one because I think that should be done now. Yeah. And we will just put that on there just till it sticks a bit. Right then, I think I'll call that a video. I've got a few pieces left, but that doesn't matter. They can go in another project, can't they? Put them up where? Out of the way. Okay then. It's coming on now, isn't it? So next video, I think we will be making some tags. There's a few itty bitties I want to do. I might do some different, a couple of things that's out of my edging journal. I did an edging series. That was probably 21. I don't know, but that wasn't the thing I was thinking of telling you. It's completely gone out my head. Completely. Okay then. So thanks for joining me. Don't forget to leave me some comments down below. Have a chat amongst yourselves. And I'll see you next video. Bye for now. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, it's done.